Hey guys, what's up? It's Brianna, and today I've decided that I want to show the process of me redoing my room, or like redoing it. I'm just going to paint it because obviously it's this bright color that everybody wanted in middle school. This is like a toothpaste color, and my room is a total disaster because first of all, in my defense, I have a lot of things from college in here, and like I just have bins full of things that I need for college. This is going to my apartment, and like there's these bins here that have like clothes and shoes in them that I need to bring to my apartment. There's a lot of random things that I just there's a lot of random things that I just can't get rid of. You know, like them little hoarding tendencies. I look like a hot mess right now because I've been sweating because I've been moving all of this, vacuuming and more vacuuming. I mean, I've moved like most of this. I had my brothers help me with this disaster here. Everything literally in the center of the room. I think I'm going to start with this wall first, and then I'm going to move all of these things back and these things up. And then my bed up because there's no room anywhere. Then I'm going to paint all of this. I just randomly decided to do this today. I was like, I'm going to paint my room. I've been wanting to actually for a while, but today I just put it in the air. I was like, I'm going to do it. So we're doing it. I don't know when I'm getting the paint. I made like little walkways for myself. See, the problem is I have blue carpeting, and I never really think about how it doesn't match at all. I don't think I plan on doing anything else different. I was thinking about changing my sheets to my ones from my dorm, but my dorm ones are for a twin. I mean, it could fit, maybe. I don't think so. It doesn't really matter to me because I'm moving into my apartment soon, and I'm going to be living there for like the next 2.5 years. Now I'm going to get into this. I don't know how any of these angles looked because I think I might have been holding this too close. Just my luck. I'm going to use this tape measure and measure the entire room and tape dimensions. So let's do that. So I decided to make this photo of my room. So I'm just gonna write all of the dimensions out on this post-it note. And yeah, so pretty self-explanatory. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Haha. 40. Wait, what? Do I write this in feet or probably write it in feet, right? I'm just going to make sure that these two are both the same. Yeah, these are not the same, but whatever. Time for this wall. 4 foot 7 1/4, I guess. The other wall is 5 foot 11. Oh, math, you know, like you add up the sides. I need help. Oh no. I don't really know. 15 feet, I say. I don't know. So basically, if that side's the same length as this side, which I assume so since, you know, the walls connect. So right now it's 15 feet this way by 12 foot, like 13 or 14 feet. I'm taking this and I'm gonna open this. I already set out like newspapers on the corners and newspapers underneath of this tray. I'm gonna first do all the like what is it called? Like the edges and like corner it all. I have to open this can. My crusty toes. I'm scared. You know, I shouldn't be doing this by myself, but I am. Okay, this is very much harder than I thought. But for why? Oh, I'm like the grandpa who ate paint. Oh my god, it looks so delicious. Oh. So it's really dark in here, but that's also my point of making this white. Like, I want to bring more light into my room, hoping that this will make like light jump off like any other white. So what you miss is me legitimately spilling paint everywhere and all over my hands because I didn't have one of those lip things on the thing. So it spilled like everywhere when I poured it into the pan. So now I'm like painting this, the corner edges. And the man in the video made it like ombre, so I guess like there's not like harsh lines. Hopefully I'm doing this right. All of my paper towels. That doesn't seem right. Also, this paint is like guaranteed to do one. It's guaranteed to be one coat. Probably needs like light. Oh, that is terrible. Why does it look purple? That's my question. I'm definitely doing this so wrong. Oh my god. It literally looks like it's like pink. And I hate that. I think it's just the lighting. That is white. Well, it's a white gray. I need a chip. Now I'm not really sure about this part. Oh my god. I'm doing this so wrong. Oh my god, I literally want to cry. I don't know how to do this. Good thing this is being hidden. He did it so perfectly. He didn't do all that. Okay, that's better, I think. Right? Let me know. It looks so patchy though. I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. Oh, that looks nice. This is terrible. Hello? I already got it on the ceiling. Oh my god. So, I was on this chair over there, and obviously it's not a good idea to be on a swivel chair. And I was painting up there, and suddenly I tumbled into the pile of paint over there. And now it's all over me, and I just sat in my bed. Well, I'm wet because I just took a shower. This is so hard. But I did all of this, all of that, there, stuff to do around there and over there, and then I don't think I'm gonna do that side yet. I feel like it looks really streaky. Far away it looks pretty good, like from here. Wow. And my room is still a disaster. I need to throw away that trash, but I'm watching YouTube right now. I feel like you can't tell that it's streaky. Oh, here. This is a good part. I've also gotten a lot on the floor. I've just given up. Why did I decide to do this? And why is there paint all over me? Okay, so I haven't been updating because I just am painting and I get really in the zone and in focus. As for progress, I did over there last night, and now I'm currently doing all of this. I've done the surrounding edges, and I've done over here kind of. Eventually I'm going to have to move my bed. And now I'm doing up here. I don't really have any technique except to just splat it on there. Hello? Is my technique amazing or what? I literally just want to be done with this. Today I went to the beach, so I didn't have time to paint, and right now it is 6:41. So honestly, hopefully I finish this today, or else I might be kind of mad. It's so much more time consuming than I thought it would be, and so much more boring. It's satisfying though, seeing my room slowly turn not teal. Somebody's literally gonna walk into this room one day and be like, holy crap, like that person did such a terrible job. Especially around the edges down there. I just let it like, it kind of all falls onto the borders, and I'm just not caring at all. This is the most satisfying part for me. It splattered all over me. Oh my god. So I just changed the roller, so it shouldn't do that crustiness anymore. Don't comment on my paint job. I literally already know it's terrible, and if someone is telling me I'm doing it wrong, like I know. Oh, I didn't put tape up because I'm lazy. My mom might care, but I don't. Is this satisfying or what? I feel like I should just start watching painting videos. They should make them on Instagram, like how they make slime and stuff. I'm so done with this. These fumes make me feel like I'm gonna pass out. I have a headache. Also, I know I look ugly. My hands. Ew. From here, it looks like the whole room is painted, but no. Haha, not. So it's been a couple days since the last time I gave an update. But let's see how many days it's been. Actually, I have no idea how many days it's been. Maybe like 3, 4. Yeah, so I don't know how many days it's been since I painted. I'm not proud because it's still where it's been left off. The whole problem is my bed, because I need to move my bed, but it's very difficult to move my bed. Just thought I'd let everyone know that basically I'm a disappointment. So maybe I should just show you. So this is still all here. I didn't wash them. I also need a new tray thing. I eventually move this stuff back. I mean, it needs to be pushed back more. It's 11:03 right now, so yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna pick up this task again, because apparently I always have a problem with finishing things. What is that Halloween Town episode where he never finishes anything? Is that Halloween Town? That's where he loses things. I don't know what I'm referencing. I'm a failure. So I ended up finishing my room. Woo! It's literally the same, it just has lights. I tried to put my tapestry up, but the colors just do not match at all. So it's finally like a white gray, and I'm obsessed. I wasn't liking it, but now that everything is like back up on the wall, I like it again. So even though this was a total extreme fail, like every single day I just did everything so wrong, I think it turned out fine from what you can see. Even though it's like the paint job is terrible. I don't even know how somebody can paint a room bad, but I did that. My room is still a mess, kind of. I need to move things back and just clean up a little bit, but that's about it. So if you like this video, don't forget to check out my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see ya.